Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Leaving the neoclassical shadow of the National City Christian Church at Thomas Circle, the walk south down to 14th Street Northwest takes you through one of the most rapidly evolving stretches of the city. While the circle felt like a grand open-air stage, 14th Street feels like the city's nervous system. It is dense, vertical, and filled with a constant humming energy. This particular stretch acts as a bridge between the historic residential charm of the Logan Circle and the high-powered business district surrounding Franklin Park. As you walk, you're witnessing the architectural filling of Washington, the space where the city's ambition and its daily life collide. The streetscapes here is a study in texture. You pass modern glass towers that house international law firms and tech hubs, their reflective surfaces mirroring the historic brickwork of the older buildings tucked between them. This is a corridor defined by transparency and light. The wide sidewalks are designed for the power walk, that specific DC gait of people moving between meetings with purpose. Yet, despite the professional intensity, there is a distinct sense of style. The storefronts here are a mix of high-end cafes, boutiques, fitness studios, and the sleek lobbies that feel more like art galleries. It's a place that caters to the modern Washingtonian, someone who is likely to be heading to a briefing as they are to brunch. As you cross K Street, the main street of the city's lobbying and legal world, the density increases even further. The buildings seem to lean in slightly, creating a true urban canyon. You'll notice the flags of various nations and organizations hanging from the facades, a reminder that while you're on the local street, the decisions made behind these windows have a global reach. The noise of the city, the sirens, the buses, and the collective chatter on the sidewalks is amplified here by the surrounding stone and glass. It is a sensory experience of the capital in motion. But as you approach I Street, the urban density begins to break. The skyline opens up, and you see the mature canopy of trees that define Franklin Park. The transition is striking. You're moving from a world of hard angles and reflective glass into a space of organic curves and soft shadows. The transition from the 14th Street corridor into the park is like a long exhale. The pace of the people around you changes. The frantic walking slows down into a stroll, and the focus shifts from the buildings to the landscape. Franklin Park stands before you as a 5-acre sanctuary. After the trek down the limestone corridor, the sight of the central fountain and the lush green lawns feels like a reward. You have travelled through the heart of the business district, navigated the intersections of power and commerce, only to arrive back in a space designed for the public. Standing at the edge of the park, looking back towards Thomas Circle, you realize how much ground you've covered, not just in distance, but in the various identities of the city, from the spiritual anchor of the church to the glass canyons of the workplace, and finally to the living room of the park. You have experienced the essential rhythm of downtown Washington.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.